Welcome to simatec. Welcome to the world of maintenance. Today we are going to discuss with you our latest innovation in automatic lubrication, that is the simalube Impulse Connect and the corresponding app to it, the world of maintenance. Before we start, a few words about myself and the company. My name is Mika. I work as an area sales manager for simatec, and I've joined the company in September 2021. I'm responsible for several European countries, which are listed here on this slide. simatec is a Swiss company based in Switzerland, and our products are made in Switzerland. So we develop and produce bearing maintenance products. We are going to celebrate our 40th anniversary next year, 2023, and our products are innovative and of high quality. And as I just mentioned, they are made here in Switzerland. We are a trusted supplier to our resellers in our global distribution network. We export 95% of the production, and we are an ISO 9001 certified company. Our global distribution network is extensive. In certain countries, we work with subsidiaries or with joint ventures, but the most typical business model is that we work through local distributors in different countries. Our product portfolio consists of 3 product groups, that is the simalube, automatic lubricators or dispensers as they are also known, bearing maintenance tools, and also induction heaters. Now we are going to have a closer look at simalube, the topic of today, and of course the Impulse Connect device. The lubricators or the dispensers, they can be used for most tasks of lubrication involving grease and oil. So up to NLGI2 in terms of grease is possible. The dispensing time is freely settable between 1 to 12 months. They are also refillable and flexible. The temperature range is wide from -20 to +55. They are IP68 classified and can also be used in X areas. The benefits for the user are many. You are supplying the right amount of lubricant at the right time in your lubrication point. You get or you are using less manual labor, which results in saved time. They are very easy to commission, and as a result of all this, you reach up to 30% cost savings. They lead to increased work safety and are environmentally friendly. So a simalube lubricator can be refilled up to 3 times, and the components contain no harmful substances and can be recycled. So in this short video, you already saw some of the features of the 2 topics, as it were, of today, the simatec app world of maintenance, with the help of which you define, monitor, and manage lubrication points from your own mobile device, leveraging the app called simatec world of maintenance. And obviously the simalube Impulse Connect, the Bluetooth-enabled device to enhance the lubrication process. The app, should be mentioned, is free of charge, and you can download it it on the Apple Store or on Google Play. Now, let's talk about the actual device, the simalube Impulse Connect. The product is an automatic pressure booster to be used together with your simalube lubricator. It is powered by a battery pack, and the connectivity is made possible by using Bluetooth technology. The range is up to 20 meters outdoors. The working pressure up to 10 bar. The operating temperature between -10 and +55. And the time setting is, there you have two options. You can either use the automatic mode or the time mode, using the same setting on the lubricator and on the app, which we recommend. The lubrication rate depends obviously on the size and the setting of the simalube. The lubricator volume is 60, 125 mil or 250 mil. That is the lubricator you can use together with the Impulse Connect. And the lubricants you can use the same again as with the simalube, greases up to an LGI2 or oils. The protection class is also the same as for the lubricator, IP68, the highest possible, completely dust and water resistant. And the warranty is 3 years from production date or until 10 simalube lubricators or the contents of them, 125 ml each, have been emptied, run through the Impulse Connect device. Now, how can you install it? It works in all positions. You can install it horizontally, upside down, diagonally, or also underwater. It is a pressure booster, so therefore lubrication lines up to 4 meters length are possible, and this is with an LGI2. Now, in this illustration, you are looking at the mobile device of a service technician carrying out his maintenance round. And you can see he's calling up here all of the Impulse Connect enabled devices or lubrication points rather with his mobile device. So and what he's seeing then on the screen is the result. This is the devices or a list of devices he's been able to call up. But we are going to have a closer look at the app just in a second. Here a few screenshots. What you can do with it: you can set up, monitor, but also manage the Impulse Connect devices via Bluetooth connection. You receive information on a lubricator enhanced with an Impulse Connect. So you call up this lubrication point and you can find out quite a bit about it. And it also gives you the possibility of simply and efficiently manage your lubrication points, even without the Impulse Connect, as you will see in a moment. And now I will show you what my mobile device looks like. On the screen, you can see two apps from simatec. First of all, there is the Calculation Pro, where you can determine the values for simalube dispensers in any given lubrication point. And to the left of it, you have the world of maintenance, which we are going to have a closer look at now. I am obviously a registered user, but for those of you downloading the app, you will receive a confirmation email with an activation link, which is valid for 7 days. So you have 1 week to activate your account. And here on the home screen, then you can see the three basic functions of the app. That is the scanning function. Here in the middle, you can add new lubrication points of different types, and then, as it were, results of it, a lube chart where you have all of the lubrication points that you have entered on this device then recorded. Now we are going to scan. So let's see which devices there are near us within 20 meters. We are going to choose one of them, which is called SL2 BBT meeting. Now we have a connection to it over Bluetooth, and there we have pre-entered information about it. We can see what the device type is. We see that there is an Impulse Connect, a Bluetooth activated device installed on this lubrication point. We can see the device status, the lubricant type, the size of the simalube, 60 milliliters, the dispensing time, which is 6 months, the fill level, which is still 100%, because we started this application, or we installed it on the 13th of February. So not a long time ago. The next change would then be in 6 months' time on the 24th of August. And then an important function in the app is that there is a choice between automatic and time mode. We recommend that you choose the time mode. We always recommend you do that because since through this you are making sure that the Impulse delivers the desired amounts of lubricant each time. Here then you would be able to go forward and find out more about the Impulse itself, basically its status, the ambient temperature is working in, the amount of lubricant that has gone through it, when it was last called up, and so on and so forth. Now let me go back to the beginning and I'll show you how you add a new device. There's a choice between 4 different types. You have the Impulse Connect, a Bluetooth-enabled device, the traditional Impulse, which works only as a pressure booster, a simalube dispenser without Impulse Connect, and then a manual lubrication point. Now, if we have a look at the simalube, there would be an instruction video here for the commissioning. We'll skip that part, click continue, and here then you would be able to add a name to it. You could choose in the drop-down menu here from our standard range of lubricants. You could also add here a name to it, which is obviously good for identification of your lubrication point, in this case simalube. You could here then choose the size of the dispenser from 15 ml to 250 ml, or a multi-point device, and then finally a dispensing time, freely selectable between 1 to 12 months. We'll go back to the beginning. To the loop chart, which, as I said, is the result of what has been entered. You can see here different types of devices. I'll sort them for convenience according to the device type. So here we would see that there are some Bluetooth-enabled devices in our range, the one we had a closer look at just now. Also a traditional lubrication point or traditional impulse rather, just simalube, enhanced lubrication points, motor right and motor left, and also then a manual lubrication point at the bottom of the screen called linear guide. And this concludes our very quick tour of the Welder Maintenance app. Now, I hope you found the tour interesting. Once more, in a nutshell, the benefits of Impulse Connect and the app, Welder Maintenance. Your maintenance rounds are going to be more cost effective. Reliability. The use of the Impulse Connect and the simalubes will give you peace of mind. It will prolong the lifetime of your machinery. And it will also lead to improved work safety. Now, for the Q&A session, I will be joined by my colleague Tom Maintain. I'd like you to stay tuned for it, and also contact us at support@simatec.com for more information. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you very much.